Eric here with Ready Car Paints, and today I'm going to go over one of my go-to solutions, the 3M Quick Headlight Clear Coat. This is a product that we actually carry in our store, and I'm going to show you how to use it today. I'm going to turn this headlight more clear. Now, this is not the only option there is out there to making the headlight less dull, foggy, hazy, or yellow like the one behind me, but this is an option. This is a good option if you're looking to do it pretty fast. You're going to sell the car, you're going to get ready for some pictures over the weekend, maybe it's Friday night before football, and you just got to get it done. This is going to take longer than a full restoration. This is actually another application you can do on top of the restoration to continue to help it and seal it. So let's get into it. Here are the items you will need. 3M Quick Headlight Clear Coat, 3M 3000 Trizac sanding disc. We're going to show you two different ways. We're going to use the manual on the top of the headlight, and we're going to sand with a drill the bottom of the headlight. See if it makes a huge difference. You're going to need the backing pad. You're going to need a drill adapter for the bottom portion of the headlight we will be doing. We will need some water. We're going to need a shop towel to get rid of the dirt residue. We will need some gloves for protecting our hands, maintaining beautiful skin. Let's go. Let's get this done. And some tape to protect the paint. It is not necessary, but will help you protect the paint. We're going to go ahead and apply tape around the headlight so we do not damage any tape areas. I like to start at one corner of the headlight, work my way. The tape is flexible, so you can bend it as you go. To make it easy, some people lift the hood and then you will eliminate having to tape the hood. In this case, we're gonna tape the entire area, just for show. If you do not protect and tape your paint, you risk sanding it off, then you have to polish further, or you can actually sand it down beyond the paint and clear coat, down to the plastic or metal, and then you got some paint work to do. In case you do that, visit readycarpaints.com and we can help you solve that. Water will serve two purposes here. One for cleaning and the other for sanding. First, we're gonna start off with cleaning. And we're gonna get our solution, our water solution, sprayed on the towel and clean our surface. The reason you wanna clean your surface is if there's any dirt and on here, you want to make sure and you're not burning it into the lens itself, because then you can embed it into the plastic. This is only plastic, so remember. And you can see that the towel is dirty. There you go. You can take the other side, clean it. We're gonna do two headlights here, so show you the results of both. In this demo, we're gonna put a piece of tape halfway through the headlight so we can see the results between manual sanding and drill sanding. Okay, here we go. Now there are two ways you can sand. You can sand using your hand, but in many cases, you can end up leaving grooves. So it's important that you put the areas and don't go up and down to not leave the indentation lines of your fingers. You can use a backing pad if you have one, and this will make sure you're nice and flat. It also helps for gripping the sand. In this case, this is a wet sandpaper. So we're gonna use our backing and sand along. So it's a good idea to continuously apply water so that the material you are sanding off continuously flushes down the headlights and continues to be washed off. As you can see, it's turning milky and sand in a circular motion, and now you're getting rid of the yellow hazy dull. You can also wash off your sandpaper by spraying water on it directly. Circular motion will get you the best results. Make sure you do be right in the curved area. Sand in there pretty good. So for some reason, those areas like to get hot, yellow, and extra dull at times. You can also spin your disc around. Since you've been putting pressure on one side, you can turn it around to apply pressure on the opposite side. Make sure you get the edges real nice. I like to go over 3 times. That was 2 passes. We'll clean the area up and go over it one last time. As you can see, the milkiness has gone away. It starts to become more clear. The lens itself ends up kind of hazy, but an even haziness throughout the whole entire upper lens. That's usually a sign that you can move on to the next step. And for demonstration purposes, we're going to dry it off. we will remove our tape and tape the same line in the upper area so that we can see the difference. Okay, now that it has dried, we will put another tape line above and hit it with the drill. The Trizac 3000 with a backing pad and a drill. Do it carefully around the paint to make sure you don't go over the tape edges and burn or damage your paint. Try to keep going in circular motion to try and create an orbital effect, which works best when sanding. Do not press the trigger all the way down on the drill, as speed is not the best in this scenario. It could create a possible burn into the lens and you will have one funny looking area. Just like the previous example, we're gonna do 3 passes. As you can see, it's getting more clear and less milky because we are sanding the bad material off the lens. As we can see with the drill, it is a lot quicker. Let's try it out, take a look at the results. There are some circular lines here and we will eliminate those by going over it by hand one last time. Make everything even and we're removing the line. You can go over the last time on any parts you might have missed. Now we are going to remove all the moisture because this is a clear coat application. So it is a solvent based application. Solvent and water do not get along. Therefore we got to make sure it's completely dry. With that being said, we're going to just grab another towel, wipe it down completely, make sure our moisture is off. It is not necessary, but if you have a heat gun, it will help to ensure that all moisture and lens is completely dry. All right, as per the instructions, we start and clean the surface of the headlight. Done. We have sanded with 3000, the abrasive, and the headlight looks smooth, but will still be hazy. Done. Now we're gonna apply our product, the Quick Headlight Clear Coat by 3M. This is important, and this is the reason you want to use a glove. We will apply one coat to both headlights and let it sit for, or let it dry for 5 to 15 minutes until the touch. Then we will apply the second coat on each headlight, the final coat, and we will allow 1 hour before driving or exposing to precipitation. Let's get it started. Remember, you are about to put within the material, it's kind of a milky product, so we want to ensure you wear gloves. As you can see, you don't want this stuff on your hands. Do not, it's also important, do not unfold or fold further on the towel you have here. So what we want to do, we want to do a pass. You can see application. It's a good idea to overlap it about 50%. You do not want tons of pressure on this. Gentle application. If you have any material there, you can just pass over that again to get rid of it. A little bit of excess material. Remember, just lightly give it another pass. Make sure you get your edges. Let any spot behind. Bring forward. Now we're gonna give it about 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Come back and do our last pass. All right, now we are back for our second application. 15 minutes have gone by. You could have gone to the bathroom, took a dump, or whatever you do. That's with our final application. And on this one, we're gonna do the same thing we did last, but we're gonna go from the top to the bottom. Remember not to put a lot of pressure in this area, just over it. Actually, we're going to do one line at the bottom and then we will one line at the top, and we'll just go over it. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive tips, and let me know in the comments, have you ever tried this product before? I'd love to hear your experience. Now we will wait again. This product is great because it's easy to apply, noticeable gloss and clarity right away, protects from yellowing. After the application, you will get UV protection to prevent yellowing, up to 10 times more clarity